Hello there. It's Haley from Wicked Wicks again. It's severe weather time, and of course, for me and like the United States, in the summer, severe weather is often hot, excessive hot weather. Right, so, it's not the heat, it's the humidity, so this is the predicted high temperatures for today. But we move on to this, which is more important, which is the excessive heat warnings, and surrounding it in this shade of orange is the heat advisories. Over here we have excessive heat watch, and what appears to be the exact same color is actually like a flash flood warning. Yes. So, I don't know, can you tell the difference between that shade of red-brown and that shade of red-brown? Because, one of them is excessive heat watch, and the other one's a flash flood warning. God forbid they were right next to each other. Look at that! It looks like it's the same color down there too. Anyway, moving on. Oh, I do notice it looks like it's maybe caved in because I think it was much more of a square looking thing. So maybe we're losing some of the excessive heat warnings. I'm not sure. But here is our slight risk. So quite a few states right in that area that have a risk of severe weather today. And here's the probability map for wind. So 15% chance, that's your slight risk area, and then 5% chance over there, and 5% chance down there. Here's your hail map. Looks kind of similar. I don't know. And then tornadoes, 2% chance, are mainly focused in Nebraska. In fact, almost all of Nebraska, Iowa, and then Illinois. How about that? Or was it Illinois? Right. And then here's tomorrow's map. We've got Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Wyoming. It's that risk. And then New York, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Vermont, looks like. I think I missed one. Who knows? Here's your probability map, as you can see. 15% chance, this is where the slight risk area is. And then pretty much a whole booty load of the country has a 5% chance of some sort of severe weather event happening. And here's the hurricane time in Eastern Pacific. It's 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation. So, yeah. Wow, we might see something. And here we go. It's Tropical Storm Dawn, and we are going to have the first tropical storm on either side of the coast. I believe this is going to hit the United States, because okay, let's see, over here we had Adrian and some other ones. They basically were just going out that direction. And then what was it? It was Brett and Cindy, and they were going out that direction. So, here's Dawn's predicted path. Here's the models. The forecast models basically all say, gonna hit Texas. But if we go back here, and we click on it, and then we click on it again so we can actually read it. Tropical storm. So, Dawn is, at this time anyway, predicted to not get any more intense this tropical storm. Let's see if I can figure out if we get a warnings cone. Try to figure out what is the maximum predicted wind speed. So if we click on this, what does it say? 55 miles per hour. 55. 50. So it appears that 55 is the top out. I believe a hurricane starts at 80. I'm not sure. And then, of course, if you're talking about severe wind in traditional severe weather elsewhere, it needs to be 58 miles per hour greater, to be a severe wind. So that's not even a severe wind when it comes to severe storms, right? But, it could dump buckets and buckets of rain. Inland flooding is actually a concern. But anyway, Wicked Wicks, it's a site to go there. WICKEDWX. Have a wonderful, wonderful morning or late afternoon, depending on where you are stationed. I don't know.